5. Abnormal handling. 5.1. Why does the drip tray releases steam and discharges water automatically? After the steam function is used, the machine needs to cool down and relieve pressure, which is normal. So you need to wait 20 seconds to continue making coffee. 5.2. Why isn't the coffee hot? You can use the hot water function of the steam wand or place the cup on the top of the machine to warm the cup before brewing coffee. .3. How to clean the grinding system. Take out the cleaning brush from the toolbox in the drip tray. Counterclockwise remove and empty the bean hopper, then put it back. Press the grind button to grind the residual beans out. Power off the machine, detach the hopper again, and clean the bottom of the hopper. Counterclockwise rotate the grinder out. Use the cleaning brush to clean the grinder and the grinding chamber. Use the straw cleaning brush to poke residual powder out from the grinding channel and clean the powder outlet with cleaning brush. Clockwise rotates the grinder and the hopper back. Empty and clean the drip tray. 5.4. Why is the steam not stable? After preheating the steam, you need to release the steam for a few seconds first to stabilize the steam before proceeding to the next step. .5. Why does steam not come out after preheating steam? Maybe the steam wand is blocked. Take out the cleaning pins from the toolbox in the drip tray. Use thicker ends to clean the steam wand as shown. Also, you can remove the outer tube and clean the inner tube in the same way. 5.6. Why is the ground indicator flashing? The bean hopper is not installed properly. Align the bean hopper guide with the red grinder interlock and insert the hopper. Then clockwise rotate it to install. 5.7. Why does the 4 indicators flash quickly? It means the occurrence of water shortage in the water tank. You need to add water and restart the machine. Another reason is the coffee got over-extracted cause of too much pressure. 5.8. Why doesn't the coffee come out? The filter may be blocked. Please unclog the filter with the thinner pin. If the ground size is too small, then the powder is too fine to discharge the coffee. You can increase the ground size, and the coffee powder will be slightly coarser. Continue to observe the flow of coffee and make adjustments at any time. In addition to the grinding size of the powder, it may also be because of too much powder or too much tamping power. Then you can reduce the tamping powder, or reduce the amount of powder, or replace the double wall filter with the single wall filter. 5.9. Why does coffee have no oil? The ground size being too large will make the powder too coarse like white granulated sugar, and the coffee may lack of oil. At this time, you can decrease the ground size to make the powder slightly finer. It is also considered that because the powder is too little or the tamping power is too light, then you can increase the amount of powder or the tamping power or replace the single wall filter with a double wall filter.